Alright, so here I have this Kubota that I'm trying to sell. I'm minding the rest of the mess. And haven't done anything with it. It's a little after 6 in the evening. I haven't started it at all for about a week. Maybe a week and a half. Got it on Craigslist for $5,000. It's got the 1-foot bucket over there. Tracks need to be replaced. The idler down here, there's just no bearings in it whatsoever. Needs to be fixed to really start using it. I got the blade here. Take those off. This thing will narrow down to 2'4", get through doorways and stuff. So let me start it. Okay, I got a fresh battery in there, so we'll glow plug it for, I don't know, 10 seconds or something. Looks like it had an auxiliary light over there that broke off. Doesn't seem to leak anywhere. I was able to grease it all up. All right, here we go. Just like that, okay? Why don't you get on it and back it up, Josh? Lift up the blade. There you go. So you can see it runs like a champ. Okay, now just put it, go in a circle. Oh wait, hold on. One thing I wanted to show. There's that's how much play is in the turret, which I don't think is in. Yeah, spin a circle. Okay, that's it, man. Everything's working. Nothing's leaking. There we go. Okay, there you go. Put it back. Okay, he's got one more thing. For the tracks? No, it's the other one on this side. Oh, your foot pedal down low. There you go. Okay, you got that? You got that? Okay. All right, now turn it off. Let's see how it turns off. The throttle needs to be hooked to the kill switch. Okay. There you go. That is the machine.
Oh yeah.